Video 11, Living on a U.S. College Campus. Today we're going to unpack what it's like to live on a U.S. college campus. We'll cover the differences between urban, suburban, and rural campuses, the differences between large public universities and small college towns. We'll talk about their locations, their climates, and activities that you might be involved in. Urban is all about living in big cities, whereas suburban are smaller cities. It is important to understand the differences between them as based on their location the college is in. It will have a different impact on the number of activities available potentially, accessibility to transportation, as well as entertainment options. The differences in attending a large public university versus small private colleges should also be a consideration. Having said that, there are no differences between public and private colleges and universities in terms of quality, as both are held to the same standards in terms of teaching and facilities. In fact, in the top 50 universities in U.S. News and World Report rankings, there are about an even split between small private colleges and public universities, which tend to be much larger. Within the United States, another important distinction that may matter to you in making your decision is location. Not only physical location within the country geographically, but also about the climate of those cities. You might not be ready for snow for 4 or 5 months out of the year. You might want to experience all 4 seasons. You might not want a place that's too hot or too cold. So that can help inform your decision and find out an institution that is really meant for you. One of the most important aspects when it comes to choosing a university are the activities and student life that happens on campus. Each university serves different activities and gatherings, and these are important in understanding what to expect when living on a campus. My recommendation is to find out from current students what life is like there. They will help you understand what your life will be like living at that specific university and what to prepare for. So be prepared for where you will live, not just where you will study. I'd recommend looking at some of the following links, which will offer resources and testimonials from current international students in the United States and what their life is like, and what to expect when moving to the US, and more information on undergraduate courses. There'll be a playlist of videos adapting to US college life, covering campus culture, health-related issues, academic grading, religious food options, and meeting U.S. students and taking their advice. The videos will also offer what the International Office provides, like their roles at the university, as well as English language programs. Another recommendation I have for you before making your decision for which universities you wish to apply to is to reach out to other students at that institution. Search for content provided by the institution for new prospective students like you, and also from currently enrolled students that can give you the perspective on what their experiences are like, and whether they are blogs, videos, or even live chats. Take advantage of those opportunities to connect with current students on the campuses you're considering. Most importantly, make the most of college life in the United States. Enjoy attending campus events, social gatherings, festivals, concerts, performances. Connect with your peers. Appreciate the diverse cultures that exist on that campus, and immerse yourself in the vibrant campus life. Embrace the spirit of community and belonging, and your adaptation to the United States will be a much smoother transition for you. You can also engage in language exchange programs and language proficiency workshops to improve your English skills and build confidence in communications. Practice speaking English with native speakers and fellow students to enhance your language ability, which would be the outcome and reflection of your language proficiency after taking the IELTS. Hopefully this has been helpful and gets you excited about the prospect of your campus experience. Be sure to check out the links in the description below. Like, follow, and share with your friends so that they can take advantage of these tips. And stay tuned for the next video in our series that chats through what to expect from your classes at U.S. universities. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you in the next session.